Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. This is the 32-inch LED TV. Here the complaint is with the backlight. Here one of the LED strip is not working. So here we replace the entire LED strip with new one. While repairing backlight related complaints, we should always try to replace the entire LED strips with a new one to avoid future repetition in this same complaint again. Here now the TV is turned on. See, now the new backlights are working properly. So now let's put the diffuser sheets and panel back to TV. This is a 3-volt LED strip. Friends, now we place the panel back to TV. Here you can see, while placing the panel, we should be very careful. Before putting the panel frame, we should ensure that all edges of the panel is properly inserted to the TV frame. Friends, now finally we connected the LVDS cable, all sockets back to TV. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. Here you can see, now the picture is okay. So now let's put all screws and back cover back to TV. Friends, finally the TV is turned on. Now the final step is to reduce the backlight in service mode for increasing the lifetime of the LED backlight. For that, we need to enter into the service mode. Menu 1147 is the service mode code. So now we entered into service mode. In service mode, go to panel settings. Here we need to keep the backlight value between 30% to minimum 30% to maximum of 70%. We need to maintain the backlight level between this range, minimum 30% to maximum of a 70%. Finally, now everything is done. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thanks for watching.